Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how we lost over 45 pounds and how we keep it off and save money in the process. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for sticking with me through this process. Please leave a comment. One of my favorite places to go grocery shopping for organic food is Publix. I always buy whatever meats and fruits are on sale for the week, and I always buy in bulk to store in our freezer. I made a weekly menu based on the sales ad for our animal-based diet, so let's go shopping. Publix had a great sale on their organic fruit this week. We usually buy what is on sale, in season, or whatever we are in the mood for the week. The mandarins were $2 cheaper, so we went with those. Publix usually has ground beef on sale, but we prefer the 80/20 ground chuck. We always buy the Greenwise. The Greenwise chuck roast and New York strip steaks are on sale, along with the chicken cutlet. We came home with 7 bags of groceries, which totaled $337.14 with tax. We saved $66.89 through the sales. I was able to purchase everything on my shopping list. The jalapenos and green peppers are for the steak. We had coffee, almond butter, and 7 jars of maple syrup. The beef shank is for Lola, and we got 7 packages of ground chuck, 1 thing of ground chicken, 4 chicken cutlets, 1 chuck roast, the mandarin oranges, strawberries, grapes, 3 different kinds of cheeses, and 4 of the New York strips. We always leave several packages of meat in the refrigerator to cover the next few days and store the rest in our deep freeze to defrost before using. As you can see, our freezer was getting low, so we'll restock with the Publix haul. In addition to our weekly Publix haul, we buy farm fresh raw milk and eggs. In Tennessee, we're allowed to participate in a herd share for raw milk, butter, and cream. We purchase eggs from a friend at work, and we keep a large tub of grass-fed organic tallow for all of our frying needs. Nothing beats sizzling meat fried in tallow and garnished with a little sea salt. We usually only eat 2 meals with fruit for snacks because the protein and fat keeps you full. Most of the time I force myself to eat because I'm not hungry. You can eat cheaper and better at home, even buying organic. We usually eat for less than $50 a day for 2 people, which is actually less than even McDonald's. We are actually saving 64 cents a day, which amounts to $233.60 a year. If you would like to receive a copy of my weekly menu, please leave a comment and I'll be glad to email it to you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.